everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to transform your backyard into a stunning oasis, you've come to the right place. Today we're sharing some creative and practical backyard landscaping ideas that will elevate your outdoor space. Let's dig in. First up, let's talk about creating defined spaces. Use pathways, garden beds, and decorative borders to establish separate areas for lounging, dining, and gardening. This not only enhances the flow, but also adds a touch of organization to your backyard. Consider using natural stones or bricks for your pathways. They provide a rustic charm and are easy to maintain. Pair them with colorful flower beds on either side to create a vibrant entrance to your space. Next, let's talk about plant selection. Choose a mix of perennials and annuals to ensure year-round color. Incorporating native plants is a great way to attract local wildlife and create a sustainable landscape. And speaking of comfort, every backyard needs a relaxing area to unwind. Invest in some comfortable outdoor furniture, and don't forget to add soft pillows and throws for that extra coziness. A fire pit can also be a fantastic addition for those cool evenings. For all you green thumbs out there, let's not forget about gardening. Raised garden beds are a great way to grow your own herbs and veggies while adding structure to your landscape. Plus, they're easy to maintain. Let's add some personality to your backyard. Decorative elements like sculptures, wind chimes, and garden art can enhance the aesthetic appeal and reflect your personal style. Get creative with what you choose. Finally, let's illuminate your space. Outdoor lighting can transform your backyard into a magical place at night. Consider string lights, lanterns, or solar-powered garden lights to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. And there you have it. With these backyard landscaping ideas, you can create a stunning outdoor retreat that you'll love spending time in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming tips. Thanks for watching and happy landscaping. See you next time.